Alright, hello YouTube. Model car, and today we're going to do another unboxing. Kind of 2 in a row, but and that's what we're going to do. Guys, I'm going to be building this very soon, so let's get the body out. Frame. Gotta make room for them big old drag tires. And then you got the body. Gotta remove that. Put parts right here to the side. Let's see, got like parts to interior, radiator stuff, seats. Looks like suspension parts right here. That's what we got here. Our steering wheel, motor parts, frame parts, seats, maybe fenders if we got our hood. And who knows what. Let's see, more frame parts, motor parts, tire parts, body parts probably. Got a dash that fell off. Got tires here. One metal axle. Keep the windshield stuff in the plastic to make sure it don't get scratched. Same thing with the chrome, and the grill fell out of it. And now the tree. And then here's our another only 4 decals. And that's it, really. I went ahead and got the directions out because I had problems last time. So we don't care about that part. So starting the motor and all that. The big old drag motor, more likely 396. And you gotta start the frame. Battery in the back. And then start the tires. And we get more back to the frame just underneath. Trash shaft, rear end stuff. And then other stuff, tires, pedals, a little bit of that. More work, see, works in the interior now. And windshield, side glass, and back glass in with interior. Then put the body onto the frame, start putting the chrome stuff on, bumpers. And then hood scoop and grill and all that. And then the motor stand with the motor. And then put decals where one you want. Or just don't put any on. Now, well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was quicker because I was more repaired on this one than the last one. So I hope you enjoyed. And if you want to see this kit built, stay tuned. Because it'll be right after the Ford Tornado.